Johanna and I would like to give you a special invitation to go with us on a trip, literally, of a lifetime. Paul is one of my favorite characters in the Bible, and it's going to be so exciting to kind of follow in his footsteps through the vast region of the Mediterranean. We're going to go to Corinth, and then we're going to see some of the most beautiful places you have ever seen in your life. Trust me, it is going to be a fantastic time. This 12-day tour and cruise aboard the Royal Caribbean Jewel of the Seas features a more relaxed trip style with both planned and optional excursions. There's going to be some worship, devotional sessions, and a whole lot more. Be reminded of the vastness and beauty of God as you follow Paul's footsteps through the Mediterranean region. Gaze in awe at the ancient city of Corinth and enjoy deep fellowship with other believers.